Don't spend more than you earn. Don't buy anything unless you have the money. And invest every single month. These are the basic rules if you want to change your life. But what happens? The credit card shows up and breaks the second rule. I don't have money, but I can just put it on the card. And boom, debt begins. Think about it. Does anyone here actually like taking loans? Nobody. Nobody wakes up saying, wow, I can't wait to borrow money today. Now here's the truth nobody wants to hear. A credit card is just a loan in a cute, shiny, rectangular card that fits in your wallet. You buy something, the bank pays for you, and then you owe the bank. That's a loan. But here's the problem. Credit card interest is way worse than a normal loan. Loan interest is already expensive. Credit card interest is insane. Some places are charging around 400% a year. That's not interest, that's financial torture. If you owe $1,000 and ignore it long enough, you'll look back one day and owe the price of a small country. That's how crazy compounding interest works against you. So remember this, a card can look pretty. Black, gold, purple, whatever. But at the end of the day, it is still a loan. And if you don't control it, it will control your life. And if you don't pay it, it will destroy your finances faster than you think. Stay smart. Spend less, save more, invest consistently, and don't let a shiny plastic card ruin your future.